guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dasha and today we're going to be making vegan butter tarts. So this recipe is not only easy and quick to make, but it is also healthy. So there's no refined sugars, no gluten, and obviously no dairy for our vegans. So if you're interested, please continue watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. And without further ado, let's get into the video. This dessert is made in two separate parts, the crust and the filling. You're gonna start off by gathering up all the crust ingredients. You will need 6 tablespoons of white rice flour, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cashew butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. So the first thing you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to grease up your tray. And then just set that aside. Next, you're gonna add all your crust ingredients into a food processor and mix it until you can form a ball. Start off with the flour, cashew butter, vanilla, maple syrup, and salt. So you want to be able to form a ball. If you find that your dough becomes too dry, then add more maple syrup. And if it becomes too runny, then add more tapioca flour. That always happens. Once you get the right consistency, you will divide your crust into 4 to 6 parts, depending on the size of your muffin trays. Place the crust inside each muffin cup. Form a crust along the base and walls using your fingers. Next, this is optional, but you may add nuts or raisins into the tarts for more flavor. I added 1.5 tablespoons of chopped pecans and 1.5 tablespoons of raisins. Now we are going to gather up the crust ingredients. You will need 5 tablespoons and 2.5 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1/3 cup of coconut cream. To make the coconut cream, you will need to chill a can of full-fat coconut milk overnight and carefully scoop out all of the cream the next day when you are ready to make the butter tarts. You will also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. The next thing you're gonna do is add all the remaining ingredients into a food processor and process it until it is smooth. So we're gonna start off with the coconut milk. Next, I'm gonna add the maple syrup, then the vanilla, and finally the salt. So as you can see, the consistency is really liquidy, but that's okay. Next, you'll slightly heat up the butter tart filling. I did this by transferring the filling into a glass bowl, which I then filled up with boiling hot water. The reason you want to do this is to get the right consistency of the butter tart, because Sometimes if the filling is too cold, it won't bake properly and you won't get the right texture for a butter tart. Finally, you're going to divide the mixture between the cups. Once that is done, you're going to pop the tray into the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. I had mine in for about 35 minutes as the muffin trays I used were slightly on the bigger side. Once they are baked, you may take them out of the oven and either enjoy them cooled for a couple of hours or you can eat them straight away. Enjoy!